Hi guys, stay for today. Tapos na-vlog ko na naman ko. Kaya ito yung socks, some socks, shorts, old navy, t-shirt. Very tired. Okay. Today I'm doing bag tour. Let's go. That's my bag and yeah. Today is Sundays, obviously. Always doing my bag on Sundays in night. In like afternoons. It's like 5 a.m. something. 5:02 p.m. Night time. Let's go. I'm like being super close because I think I have to do something. I have something to do today, so let's go. There's a cat outside our window. Look. Stop. Our window. Look. Dude, stop it. If you guys can see, there's a cat here. I know. There's a cat. Look. You guys can see that there's a cat is like looking at me. Say, bro. Dude, the cat's really looking at me back. Not hiding. It's a hide, guys. They're getting me creepy vibes. The windows are closed, so there's no way he or she can get in. Hope she like jumps down the door. I'm literally getting freaked out in this cat guys. Maravillas. Okay, first I have this Arcari electric fan. It's kind of big, but yeah, whatever. And from this I bring two electric fans. One small one for my gym, because there's the flag ceremony every Monday. Okay, I have 10 notebooks today. This one. Wait, okay, I cannot take this out. I can take this out too, whatever. Kaya matanggal. So first, I'm bringing pencil case. Okay, wait. Pencil case. Somebody's there. Pencil case. It's rubber rabbit and scissors, eraser, and a lot of pens and rulers. And my bag is black, and I'm not getting black now. I don't really like them. No one that has stars. I broke them. Being 9 years old now, so I have to be. I'm not too mature, but yeah. I mean, I'm still 9. I'm so excited that I'm almost 10. Next year I'm 10, but this year I'm 9. In 5 days I'm 9. And this is the one I'm bringing for a gym. For a family treat. This is full charge. This is the shot. And I still have to finish that by 9, but by 6 o'clock. I see my robot. And 10 books. Assignment English, Mathematics, Filipino, Science, Araling Palipunan, MAPE, ESP, Writing, and Reading, and National Reading Program, National Mathematics Program, and paper, and like my ID. Oops, they have my personal information at the back, so yeah. My full name. So I wear that at school, and some bond paper. Oops. And like some alcohol, mask tissue, mabango. Parang hygiene kit ko guys sa likod ko. Okay, wipes, salamin, suklay, tapos sabon. ahead, drink. Okay guys, grade 3 pa lang ito. Dapat ko yung bala. Okay, next. Tapos na ako guys. Eraser. Pasabit na bag. Glue. Diba pag-impok. Sharpener. Where's the marker? Saan yung marker ko? Teka lang. Ano wala marker? Ito yung marker ko. Ito. Hindi ko pa natin siya pakita sa inyo pencil case ko. Sa pencil case ko, may marker ako. Pang whiteboard. Kasi, magkasagot kami sa whiteboard. Kaya may sarili ka marker. So, yeah. Kaya, lagi nasa pencil case ko. Kasi pencil case ko ay lagi nasa desk. Okay, and that's what's in my bag. Oh wait, nasitira pa pala ata dito. So, ay, wala na. This is my bag. My big bag. Okay, guys. What? Just gonna put this back there. I'm so excited for school tomorrow, but yeah, I'm excited to see my friends. They're all my best friends. I'm gonna be late because pauwi kasi I'm meeting with my friends outside at our school. So, inside our school, but nagkapalit sa sundo. So, I guess Monday. So, let's go put this back. Where is it? Ouch. Ow. At parang pala ang aking baunan. Okay, bago dito bigyan ko tayo, hydrate. Yeah, hydrate ito bigyan ko. Maganda siya. Kulay niya, neon green and neon pink. And this is pink. And this is pink. That's it. There's still a bottle. Okay, gonna put them later before going to bed because ayoko malanggam. Ayoko langgam. Because I don't want to like ants getting my food on it. Yeah, so yeah. And time check. Time check lang ako guys. Wala akong kapag-time check. Sabi akong time check ang bit. Wala guys akong time check. Pero 5 something na. Ito guys. Kapag ano ka, backpack. Kung gusto nyo makita ito, baka di ako makakapag-post sa TikTok. Pero parang dito na lang ako magpapak. Pero di ba, basa pa. Kaya basa pa yung loob niya. Yun sa baba. So, ang importante yung baba. Kasi, ayoko madikit. Then, lalagay ko dito. Scissors. Oh, sige, parang hindi ko na malalagay. Magagawa to kasi, look. Oh, diba? Pero try ko gawin sa kama kasi, lolong, type ko lang, diba? Kasi magulo yung desk ko, Okay, naaawa ko sa sarili ko, guys. Ay, di, may isa pala akong dito pakita sa inyo sa backpack ko, Pero okay lang yun. Color pencils ko, kung nakakalimutan ko padalhin ay at food sack. Maglalagay mo pala ako food sack. Lagay mo na guys ako food sack sa bag ko. And kung nga po. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And we'll see you on my next video later. Peace out!